Hello, Brite Stars. I'm Teacher Susan, and today at the Brite Star School, we're learning a lesson that shines patience. Patience means waiting calmly without getting upset. Patience is standing in line and waiting your turn. Patience is baking. Cookies taste best when we wait for them to be ready. Patience is growing, like planting seeds and watering them each day. Patience is building, carefully stacking blocks without rushing. Patience is waiting quietly, like fishing by the water. Let's see what you remember, Brite Stars. What does patience mean?
Waiting calmly without getting upset.
How can we show patience in line?
By waiting our turn without pushing or complaining.
How do cookies teach us patience?
By waiting for them to bake before we eat them.
How do seeds grow with patience?
By waiting and caring for them every day.
What's another fun way to practice patience?
By fishing quietly or building something carefully.
Great job, Brite Stars. Remember, patience helps us stay calm and enjoy the good things that come with time. Keep shining, stars.
Enjoy over 55 series, 600 plus ad-free videos, and 400 plus books. All for less than $2.50 a month with a yearly Brite Star Plus membership.